Good morning, judges. This is Team Aztecs. Our team comprises of four members: Akash Tureha, Raghav T. Turki, Vinamr Vasist, and myself, Himanshu Chittada. So, we have taken hostel management system as a problem statement under the open innovative theme. We are honored and obliged to participate and complete our website well within time. We would like to present our website named Hostelverse. So, this is the landing page of Hostelverse. We have given two options in our website. First, to create a new account, and second, to log in through an existing account. So let's start with creating a new account. So let's fill this form quickly. We have also made some validations inside this form to stop the script injection to our website. Let's quickly fill this form. Now we'll click on submit to register that user. Okay, so now it's asking for an OTP. So let's go to the OTP first. So here is the OTP. We have used the Yelp mail as an email ID. So let's verify this OTP. Yes, now the user is signed up into it. So for the new user, we don't have any hostel allotment kind of thing. So we'll be using a pre-registered user. So let's enter its credentials. Okay, so now let's log in. It. Okay, so this is the user dashboard. So firstly, our website is divided into three components, three modules. First is the student module, second is the warden, and the third is the admin. The functioning of the student module is students can view the hostels. They have also a facility that is check in and check out, and they can apply for the leave application. If they have any complaint, they can also file that. They can view the announcement, they can give the feedback about the hostels, and they can view the profile and the logout feature as always. In case of warden, they have some additional features like they can post the announcement, they can handle the room complaints of the student, they can handle the leave applications of the student, they can also handle the check-in and check-out time of the students and can view it. They can also submit the feedback and review the feedbacks of the students so that they can improve. And on the top of the warden, there is an admin which can create a new warden for a new hostel. They can also update the profile for the warden, and they can also manage the students of their college. They can remove the students if they misbehave or kind of like they got a investigation or something like that. So first of all, let's check the check-in and check-out feature. So right now the student is out, and if it tries to get inside of the college, so right now it's saying can't check out due to some reason. Try again later near campus. This is because we have integrated, we have validated our API. Like if the user is under 500-meter radius of the campus, he or she will be able to check inside the campus, else they will not be able to. This is because we don't want the students to get outside of the campus and then do this check in and check out thing. We also have made some rate limiting so that this can't be misused. So now let's move on to the next feature. Now here on this page, the students can apply for the leave from whatever date they want, starting from a date to another date, and they also can mention a reason and submit. It will automatically will be posted on the warden side, and they can review it. I'll be explaining how this procedure will be done on the warden side. And the next topic would be the room complaint thing. So if there is any issue in the rooms of the students, they can directly contact to the warden by writing their issue over here and then submitting it. The- Then the warden will assign some the person to fix that issue. Now the another thing is on the student side is the announcement channel where they can view the announcements made by the admin or the warden. So here are some websites that are coming from our API. And on the next thing that is feedback, the students who are living in a hostel can give a rating from 1 to 5 and write a review about the hostel. So let's move on to the before moving on to the next warden thing, let's view the profile of the student. So we registered with this email ID. So this is coming over here. The student name is Raghav. The contact number is this is just for reference point of view, and he is allotted at a hostel number 1 and the room number 2, and this is the gender. So let's move on to the warden. So the home page of the warden is the student list. They can directly remove the student if they are misbehaving or doing some mischief, and they can view the check-in and check-out log. Due to some last moment things, we our API got broke of this check-in and check-out log, so we'll be updating it soon. For the leave applications, like I said, the students can paste their leave applications and the warden can approve or reject that leave application. For the room complaints, same, they can approve they can make that complaint approve and turn it into resolved, or can reject that. For the announcement thing, the warden can make the announcements in the student channel so that they are kept up to date about the things. The feedback form, I guess, is not working as we wanted, so we'll be fixing it. This is the profile of the warden. So now let's move on to the admin side. This is the admin dashboard. Sorry. This is the admin dashboard. So they can view the hostel occupancy. Like in the hostel one, there is 20% occupancy. They can also view the payments that students are making. Like out of 20 students, they are making only 8 has done the payment, and around 20 issues were raised and only 17 was solved. So this is the data that can be viewed by admin so that they can keep the track of the warden performance. So they can view the student list and directly can remove the students if they are not behaving properly, and can also view the warden list and remove the warden if they are not doing the things up to the mark. They have also the feature. They only have the feature to create a warden. The warden cannot sign up by by himself or herself. The admin will only create a warden and then provide the email ID to the warden. With that only he or she can log in. So here he will be putting his email, name, hostel ID, which he has been allotted to, phone number, password, and warden ID that would be generated by the admin only. So he can also view the sorry, this side also the feedback form is not okay. Sorry, we'll be fixing it. And this is the profile for the admin. And this is the logout feature. So if we click on the logout, we are directly redirected to the main page. So that's all. Thank you. This was Team Aztecs from Triple IT Kota, and this was our presentation. Thank you.